the all-new Honor Magic V6. The 2026 IF Design Award. We've engineered a velvet touch which feels soft, interacts with light and remains resilient in the real world. We are the first to pass the TV Rewrite Land 24-hour certification. At just 8.75mm, it's thinner than its predecessor. It's the largest battery ever seen in a foldable. Let me show you. We are fast approaching the theoretical limits of commercial steel. Right now, live at our stand, the Magic V6 can be seen unfolding underwater, both IP68 and IP69. We apply 5,600 layers of coating with semiconductor level precision. We've neutralized glare to outshine even the brightest stars in the galaxy. Accredited by the SGS Gold Standard, it's stronger, flatter, and more immersive than ever. Unlike the other brands, we've also flipped the script for stylus input across both screens. The Magic V6, it's the most reliable device for the AI era. To achieve this, we've included a CIPA 6.5 64 megapixel telephoto camera. Enter the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 mobile platform. This is voice to action productivity. Just chat with Gemini to open files, cross-reference documents, or even launch apps. It captures meeting minutes, identifies speakers, and highlights discussion points in real time. We've unlocked Qualcomm's personal knowledge graph. We are the best companion an Apple user could ask for. Turn your Mac into a dual-screen powerhouse with a second display extended wirelessly anywhere you work. iWork Suite, natively supported for file editing on the world's most versatile screen. Your iCloud, folders and photos accessible with no workarounds required. The world's first one-tap bridge for Mac and iPhone. The AirPod features you know and love. One unified stream that empowers notification sharing across your V6, iPhone and Apple Watch. The Magic8 Pro's professional imaging kit unlocks an unprecedented 5400mm focal range with a CIPA 6.5 certification. And the evolution continues with AiMAGE color engine. MagicPad 4 at just 4.8mm thin, and for those who need a true desktop experience, PC mode. And it's so powerful, it can even run OpenClaw. Honor MagicBook Pro 14 2026 edition. Our laptop delivers an incredible 15 hours and 30 minutes of real-world endurance. We've achieved this by adding a mighty 92 watt-hour battery. Under the hood, it's powered by the Intel Core Ultra X9 388H. We bring content to life on a stunning 3.1K OLED display with touchscreen.